I wanted to start this video off by just showing you how many options there are at Hobby Lobby. There are so many adorable, cute little signs and little just like figurines and things and trays and vases that you can use to decorate for fall. Just so many options, and Hobby Lobby always has sales going on. All of these things that you're seeing here are 50% off, and if you are somebody who doesn't want to go in person, or maybe you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, you can shop online as well. The 50% off deals are also online, but look at all of these little signs that they have. These are some of the little artificial floral pieces that I picked up for my decor, which you will see in this video. But as you can see, there are just so many options to choose from. Some cute little plaid pumpkins and other pumpkins, other little signs, so many amazing options. You're sure to find some options that you will like. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some home decor. So I know this is different kind of content than I normally make. If you're new to my channel, I normally make beauty, skincare, fashion related content, but I do want to start making some home decor content because I really enjoy styling, and I want to give you guys some affordable ways to style your home. The reason I'm able to get into home decor now is because, you know, since I got married in April of this year. So now I finally have my own place, so I'm able to really get into home decor more now. I can get into styling my place and just making it my own. And I've been having so much fun with that, and I just love it. So I figured I would make a video sharing with you guys some affordable ways to style your home. So right now this video is going to be focusing on fall decor because fall is coming up. Everything that is shown in this video for decor is either from Amazon or Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby, if you have not been there, is amazing for decor, and they normally have sales going on. So the things that I got from Hobby Lobby are super affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my dining slash living room. I do have a small apartment, so if you're also somebody who has a small space but really wants to, you know, decorate your space and make it feel really cozy, hopefully this will help you out, and if you need some affordable finds, I've got you. So I'm gonna take the camera, bring you on over there, and show you what I have going on. So I'm sitting on the ground in front of my little coffee table. This is my living room in my apartment, and I wanted to decorate the coffee table. I didn't do anything crazy. I kept it pretty simple, but wanted to do something fun, and I'll show you a close-up little video here of the decor. But I also DIY'd it also to make it more affordable by picking up some things from Hobby Lobby in order to make, for example, this pumpkin centerpiece. For this pumpkin centerpiece, I saw a girl on TikTok. I will try to add her video, or at least link her video in the description box below if you guys want to check it out, where I got the idea from. I did make some changes, and this is a smaller little pumpkin than she did in her video, and what I put inside is a little bit different than what she did, but I did get the idea from her. But this is super simple and easy to do. What I ended up doing was I got a whole pack of white pumpkins on Amazon, and I will link everything that I talk about in today's video in the description box below if you guys do want to check anything out. But I got a whole pack, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I also added the pumpkins in some other places. You can also use the pumpkins in other places around your house to style. So the ones that I got are styrofoam. So I cut open into this myself. I did a TikTok video also demoing how I did this, so I'll put that video in here so you guys can get an idea of how I made this. But I did cut out a hole in order to put these in here. All of the things that are inside here I got from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. I'll try to link the exact same items, and you could also get something similar on Amazon for like little like fall flower, artificial flower decor. But I feel like Hobby Lobby is the most affordable place to get like little individual stem pieces. I also got this artificial lamb ear, and I used this on my mantle, but I had some extra, so I figured it'd be pretty to put around this here on the coffee table. Also, something that you can do is reuse what you already have. So that's what I did. I already had my spring decor up before this, and I had, you know, figured that it would be the most affordable and also still look really great to just reuse a few things. So some of the things that I use are just reusing from my spring decor, and you can definitely do that throughout all of your decor to make it more affordable so you don't feel like you have to buy everything all brand new. For example, this wood kind of centerpiece thing here I've had that actually for quite a while. And then I got this pack of pine cones. Had like little cinnamon sticks in it and just a variety of things to use. I got that from Hobby Lobby, and I figured I could use it around. I use it on my mantle for some things and also here on the coffee table. I know you could definitely just like look outside for some pine cones rather than buying it. That would be the most affordable way, but this was just a nice pack. It was like a variety pack. It did have pine cones, but it also had some other things. And the pine cones that came in it they do have smaller sizes, but I just think that kind of works better for decor sometimes. But yeah, I'll link that below. And then I already had this. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I purchased a pack. It was like a 9 or 12 pack. I think it was a 9 pack of like LED candles. They're fake candles. I got them on Amazon, and I use them on my mantle as well, which I will show you. And what I added to this for fall is I just added like those little string lights. I added that in here to give it more, I don't know, more pizzazz, I guess. So that's that. And of course I light up the candle too when I like to use it and display the decor, like when I have company over. And then I got a pack of like little pumpkins, like different colored pumpkins, white pumpkins, and then like this really pretty like sage green pumpkin. And here is a glimpse at my mantle. I will show you a before and after what this looked like for my spring decor versus now my fall decor, so you guys can see how I just transitioned to fall, changed up some things while also reusing certain things. For example, I reused this, I reused the candles, all these candle holders I reused, as well as these vases I reused. I just switched up what was in the vases, and then of course I, completely changed the whole mantle decor here with the garland and everything. So like I was mentioning, I used this lamb's ear garland. So this is a 6 feet long one, and I ended up getting 2 of them because I used them over there too, where I'll show you guys that decor after. So I got 2 6 feet ones, so I used part of the other 6 feet one over there, and then part of it there as well, like I showed you. And then how I was telling you that I got like a variety pack with like pine cones and everything from Hobby Lobby. So I used that stuff all along here. So for example, this was in that, just a cute little pop of orange there, pine cones, and then this little dried orange piece was in that pack as well. So you can kind of see the ways that I used it, and also these little mini pumpkins. This was from a variety pack that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. Again, you can get that on Amazon too if you want to do that. And then this here, actually, as you can maybe see, this is a 6 foot long garland with these little white berry things with these leaves. And they look the same as the ones here that I used for the pumpkin centerpiece. So that kind of ties in together by having that. If you guys are interested in any of the vases or the candle holders, I will also have those linked down below. I got them from Amazon, all of that stuff from Amazon. So maybe you can kind of tell the vibe that I have going on here. I'm kind of going for like a rustic vibe. I know this might not be like your normal fall decor, but I wanted to go more of like neutral colors, just tie it in with more of a rustic feel rather than a bunch of oranges, which like orange colors, I mean, you definitely could do that. That's super pretty as well. With my apartment, I just felt like it would go well and I could reuse stuff that I already had. But of course, make adjustments if you want. You could get like more orange colored flowers, just change it up how you want. But I got these on Amazon too. So this is some wheatgrass, and then this is some pampas, and these are like little bunny tails. So actually the pampas and the bunny tails all came in a pack, and this is part of it. I have the rest of it over here, which I'm gonna show you. So it's a variety pack. It was very useful. I had an extra bit of that one that was in the pumpkin centerpiece I added here. I just kind of mixed a variety of extras that I had and put them in here, and I feel like that worked out really well. So yeah, and then I have the string light along here, along the bottom. I'll show you guys some pictures of that and what that looks like. I think it's super pretty, and that's how I did it. Super affordable. Again, I'll put everything in the description box below. Over to my dining room and table centerpiece. Really did reuse what I already had. It looked the same in spring, except for I added pumpkins and I added a string light in here. But I got the multi-pack of like pumpkins, and it had this in it as well from Hobby Lobby. I'll link it in the description box below. As you can see, it's a very neutral color scheme, but I feel like it went really well. These pumpkins from Hobby Lobby kind of like matched the lamb's ear in here. Yeah, this is lamb's ear as well. I got these, they're individual stems that I used for this, and I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. Also, this tray, I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. And these cute little like farmhouse salt and pepper shakers, I got these from Amazon. I got these string lights on Amazon. It was like a pack of 12. What's really nice about them is that they do not take regular batteries, so they just last a long time. You don't have to worry about replacing batteries often, and of course you don't have to plug it in, so it just makes it really easy to use. They have a little switch on them to turn them off and on. It's really nice because you can hide them really easily in your decor. And then lastly, I love this space. This is my little kitchen cart. I did get this on Amazon. This little book thing here, it says thankful, grateful, blessed, and it comes with this little tassel bead design thing. I got this on Amazon. They're really just like actual like blocks that are painted. I wanted to get like actual book ones. I almost did on Etsy, but it ended up being more pricey because, you know, on Etsy a lot of times you have to spend a certain amount before you get free shipping, and I'm the kind of person who hates to pay for shipping. So the similar thing was on Amazon. You know, but it was free shipping, and it was like the same price as the one on Etsy, but I didn't have to pay for shipping. So there was kind of the trade-off. This one is not actual books, but there was one on Etsy that they're like actual books painted, so I guess it looks more realistic. But honestly, I think this still looks really, really nice and really pretty. So then I got this little pumpkin thing here from Hobby Lobby. Put some of the string lights in there, and then these rustic cage things. I don't even know what you call them, but they're like candle holders. But I got both of these on Amazon, and then also the candles in here. And the candles in here, what's actually really cool is that these candles, they're supposed to look more realistic. They kind of flicker, and you can also like adjust the brightness of the fake flame, but it's supposed to make it look more realistic. Then again, I used the rest of the wheatgrass that I had and some of the little bunny tails here. And then I already had a pack of like little vases like this that I've used around my house. I have some in my bathroom as well. I just had some of these, again, just reusing what I had. I can link the pack to the vases if you guys want. Obviously, you don't have to get all of these things, but I'm just hoping that, you know, this will give you an idea of maybe what things you like. So then I used some of the lamb's ear garland right here around the frame. This picture that says fall for Jesus, he never leaves. I thought that was so cute. So I got that from Mulberry Market Designs. And then this little pumpkin I got from Hobby Lobby. And I put, again, the little string lights in here so I can have it light up. And then also what's in here is, it actually smells really good. So you know the multi-pack that I told you that had the pine cones and stuff? Here's a close little glimpse to kind of what's inside here. But it has like a little orange peel. It has a little wood piece here that I think looks pretty. I just kind of filled it with those things that came in that multi-pack. So this is another way that I thought would be fun to use it. And then I just display it all lit up on the counter when I have guests over and stuff, and it just looks super cute. You could also fill this with like candies, like fall candies, like candy corn or something, whatever you want. Adjust it to how you like it. And also these little string lights, what's really nice is that these do not require like regular batteries, and they don't need to be plugged in. So that's really awesome, and they're easy to like hide this part of it so you don't see it in your decor. Like I just hide it under this piece of wood here, and it's not really noticeable. This little sweater weather sign I got from Hobby Lobby again. And then these are the rest of the pampas that I told you I had. That was in that pack that I had some of them on my mantle. And I just already had this jar, so you could also use like whatever you already have if you have a jar already. And also something about pampas, if you don't know, so these are dried pampas, and you can leave them in the sun if you want them to be poofier. You've probably seen them poofier before if you've seen that, like pampas is used a lot in decor, but because they're really pretty. These I have not put in the sun, so this is just what they look regularly. I would say one of the not so affordable things also would be the sign. That's kind of where I paid a little extra, but I figured, you know, that's a sign that I can use every single fall. I can just keep reusing it. Certain things I did spend a little bit more on because, you know, I wanted to reuse it. And honestly, all this decor I'm just gonna reuse, and I'll maybe add on it as the years go by, maybe when I get a bigger place. I also got this little mat to go outside. I'll show you guys that. And one other thing that I did spend more money on was I ordered a fall wreath. I got it on Etsy. It's so beautiful. That was expensive though. That was expensive. It was like $98, I think. A lot, I know. That one's definitely not an affordable find. You can definitely find more affordable ones, but when I was looking at wreaths, like fall wreaths, a lot of the cheaper ones looked really cheap, I guess, and they just didn't look as nice, and I figured, you know, I can just reuse it every fall. So I wanted to get a really pretty fall wreath. I don't have it yet though. I'm still waiting for it from Etsy, but I can also, I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. So pretty. But I'm super excited to have that outside my door. So that is everything. All of this together, if you were to go and get everything that I got, you know, that's gonna be expensive, but you know, it's still a lot more affordable than other things because I did definitely go looking for affordable finds and deals, but I also got this stuff over time. And like I said, I already had some of this stuff, like the vases and all that stuff. I already had that. I just added a few things for fall. So you can get things over time too. Don't feel like you have to like get everything all at once if you're new to home decor, but maybe you already are into it and you already have a lot of things. Hopefully this can give you some ideas of things that you can add. I'd love to know what you guys think. If you guys have any fall decor staples that you absolutely love, I would love to know what they are. So let me know in the comments down below. Again, if you guys do want to pick up anything that I talked about in today's video, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys do want to see even more content from me in the future and you are not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do already have an Instagram and a TikTok for like my beauty and skincare related content. I will post some home decor content on there as well, but I also made an Instagram account all for home decor. So if you guys are really into home decor, I would love if you would follow my page there. I just started it, so it's very new. It doesn't have that many posts yet, but I'll post more decor ideas there. So I would love to have you guys join me there on Instagram. The handle is Her Cozy Home Decor. I will link it in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video.